Hello, where are you come from?
I'm from France.
France.
Paris. My name is Maxime. And
What's your name?
my name is Maxime.
Maxim?
Yeah.
Maxim.
Maxime.
Maxim. Do you know Korea coffee name is Maxim? Maxim?
No.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
30?
30 years old.
30 years old.
Yeah.
Do you married? No married. Single?
What? I'm single. Yeah.
Single.
Yeah.
30?
30 years old. Yeah.
30
Single,
years
yeah.
old. You are, what do you do?
I'm a director of a shop.
Huh?
I'm a director.
Director.
Manager of a shop, a supermarket.
Supermarket?
Yeah, in Paris.
Paris.
Yeah.
Ah.
7th arrondissement. 7th.
Seventh.
Yeah.
Because how long time your job?
It's been 2 years now.
2 years. You have graduate university?
What?
University. Graduate.
No. Okay.
I make card. I manufacture. I mystery.
Okay, President.
President. I manufacture special glass. Special glass. Touch screen. Do you know?
What?
Touch screen. Yes.
Yeah.
Glass.
Okay.
Very thin glass touch screen.
Okay.
Yes. Do you think Korea mountain and river is good or not good?
It's amazing.
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 France have.
The first time I traveled alone, and first time I hike alone too. And, this is really this is so beautiful, and the water and the mountains. It's amazing.
Amazing.
Breathtaking.
Because the first time visit Korea is the first time.
Yeah, first time in Korea and first time travel alone. And I chose Korea, and I'm so happy to have chosen this.
Do you have a girlfriend? Girlfriend. Do you have a girlfriend? Girlfriend.
I don't understand.
No?
No.
하하. Okay. After 2 weeks, you come back France.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
Now it's tour. Only Korea tour.
Yeah.
Ah.
Tour, and then go back to France to work. But it's gonna be hard to come back, I think. I love everything in Korea. It's so good. It's so nice.
Nice.
Nice country.
Thank you.
Really beautiful. People are really nice. And yeah, the food is amazing. So I love everything.
Maybe I similar your father older. I'm 58.
58?
Yes.
My mother is 58.
58?
Yeah, I like my mother.
Your mother?
My father is 57. No, 56. 2 years.
younger? Your father?
Yeah, my father is 2 years younger than my mother.
Do you have a sister or brother?
I have one big sister, and I have two little brother and 2 little sisters. Six brothers and sisters.
I have one son, one daughter.
Yeah.
My son is before the wedding, before years.
Okay, well, how old is he?
My son is 27.
27. Okay.
Yeah.
He's in Korea or is abroad?
Korea.
He's in Korea?
Yes.
Yeah. He's not traveling?
Traveling, yeah.
No travel?
No trouble.
You ever been to France?
Yes. No. He is 독일은 뭐지? 도이치? Germany.
Germany.
Germany, Swiss, Italy. I visited, but I don't visit Italy. I want to visit Paris,
Yeah.
Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. You
Maybe
want to go?
maybe next year or next year I have a schedule.
Okay. It's nice. Paris is nice too. It's beautiful too.
The Paris price is more higher. price.
Yeah. It's more expensive in Paris.
Expensive.
Yeah.
Do you think Korea price is more so?
I think it's okay. It's cheaper than in France,
어.
and like the food or
푸더.
the food,
어.
the transportation, the transport, it's cheaper than France.
어.
Yeah. And all the activities and all that. It's
Today's schedule is your picker. 대청봉 is come back this.
yeah. Come back and then go to Gangnam.
강동.
Yeah.
어.
The beach.
Do
Nothing.
you have a strong?
Straw?
Strong, heavy.
Yeah.
No problem.
No, it's okay.
It's okay?
I did higher.
Higher?
Yeah. In La Réunion Island.
Oh.
I had 30,000 meters.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh.
Easy.
How many times 1 week trekking?
I don't know. Like no, it's French hour. It's been 2 hours. I think 1 hour more, and it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Have a good time.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. 프랑스에서 온 친구인데 여행을 하고 있다는데 나이가 서러지고 아직 결혼 안 했고 자기 엄마가 58 나랑 같답니다. 이렇게 외국 친구들하고 이야기도 나누고 명함도 주고 또 저 유튜브에 또 출연도 시키고 인생은 이렇게 그냥 아주 재미나게 사는 게 좋은 것 같아요. 그리고 저기 뭐야 그 자신감이 있어야 돼. 자신감. 언어도 마찬가지고 내 영어 실력 형편은 없는데 의사소통 되잖아. 의사소통. 그냥 의사소통 말만 하면 되거든. 말하고 대충 몇 개 단어 알아들으면 돼. 그러면 내가 이거 멋있다. 근데 사람들이 자신감이 없어. 자신감이 없어서 말을 못 걸어. 말을 걸면은 저렇게 외국 친구들도 좋아하거든요. 한국 사람들 친절하더라. 아니면은 뭐 하더라. 그리고 또 내 유튜브에 출연도 하고. 맥심이라 그랬거든? 커피 이름인데, 맥심. 맥심 커피 있잖아, 맥심 커피. 참, 순간순간이 재밌습니다. 가다가 사람 만나면 이야기 나누고, 또 올라가고, 유튜브에 올릴 동영상 찍고, 얼마나 재밌어요. 이러면도 오래됐구나. 여기도 이 애들이, 아이고, 여기도 이렇게 딱딱 자르네. 응? 애들, 지리산에도 있고, 설악산에도 있고, 얘들이 이게 톱날 같은 걸로 상수리 나무만 그렇게 하거든요. 상수리가 절반 정도 익으면은 그 속에다가 알을 넣고 탁 잘라가지고 바닥으로 탁 떨어뜨려요. 만약에 그렇게 하지 않으면 어떻게 될까? 그렇게 하지 않으면은 익어서 다람쥐가 먹어버려요. 안에 새끼를 낳았는데 먹어버리면은 이제 태어나지를 못하니까 덜 익은 상태로 더 익지 말라고 그렇게 하는 것 같습니다. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
예. 어. 하하, 여기도 멋있어요. 야, 멋지다. 저 큰 바위가 저 하나 버티고 있습니다. 큰 바위가 하나 버티고 있고, 그 옆으로 물이 흐르고 있고, 이제 저 안에 양폭 대피소가 있어요. 양폭 대피소 100m 남았습니다. 시간이 너무 많이 걸려서 여기서 잘라줘야 되겠습니다. 땡큐, 감사합니다.